years after the shootings at Marikana, a battle over fees, Legal Aid South Africa has now petitioned the Constitutional Court over the Marikana funding matter. The Supreme Court of Appeal previously ordered the organisation to pay the fees of lawyers representing injured and arrested miners, as well as the widows of 34 miners killed, and those were represented at the Marikana Commission of Inquiry. But after footing a bill of more than 25 million rand, Legal Aid wants the ruling overturned.
Aid South Africa argues commissions of inquiry are instituted by government. Therefore, it should not be held liable for fees. The organisation says it doesn't want to claim money back already paid, but as a matter of principle, government should be made responsible for the bill.
It says courts and or other tribunals, but it says they must finally resolve the dispute. We're saying the Marikana Commission doesn't finally resolve this dispute. There's still going to be the question of civil claims. There's still going to be the issue relating to whether people get prosecuted or not. And therefore, it doesn't finally resolve any of those kind of issues and disputes between the parties.
Last year, the Supreme Court of Appeal dismissed its application against a High Court ruling ordering payment be made for Marikana legal fees. Legal Aid South Africa says it fears a dangerous precedent could be set. The Socio-Economic Rights Institute disagrees. It's described the Constitutional Court appeal as a waste of time. The organisation has also added its voice to calls for the Marikana report handed to President Jacob Zuma to be made public.
The regulations that govern the Marikana Commission of Inquiry actually permit it to be released by the Commissioner himself 2 weeks after it's been submitted to the President. So one of the questions is why that hasn't happened.
The Constitutional Court will be hearing arguments on Thursday. Nozintombi Mia, SABC News, Johannesburg.